What's up, dudes? Big Hurt 35 doing team draw for our one box 2013 Topps Finest Baseball break. So this is everybody in it. Okay. We're going to use, all teams are in, so there's all the teams. Going to use this thing, true random number generator. 3 through 8, this is how many times will go on both lists. 6. It's been 8 all night long. Going 6 times. Good luck. 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, what did I say, 6? 6 times? Yeah. And 6. There you go. 6. Mitch on bottom. And OJ on top. Put you guys over here in L, column L. Okay. Six times on the teams. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There it is. Bam. Reds are on bottom. Astros are on top. Okay, there are your teams. Nope, those are not your teams, sorry. Didn't put it all the way at the right spot. Those are your teams. There you go. OJ, Astros, Chuppy, Tigers, J. Rich, Giants, Buckball, White Sox, and Orioles, Chuppy, Padres, Chuppy, Mets, Big Hurt, Phillies, Chuppy, Rays, Mitch, Twins, Nick, Dodgers, PK, Nats, Euchre, Cubs, Burger, Brewers, Euchre, Red Sox, Chuppy, Indians, J. Angels, SP Collins, A's, Koktek, Diamondbacks, Tacoma, Yankees, Andrew, Rockies, Viking, Mikey, Braves, Nicholas, Blue Jays, Buckball, Rangers, Ridiculous XD, Pirates, Big Hurt 35, what a dumb name, Cardinals, M. Grizzle, Mariners, Euchre, Marlins, Houdat, Royals, and Mitch as the Reds. So these will be in the store if you guys, under the team draw section. I've